Peace has felt like a distant dream lately. And the weight of a chaotic world might be pressing down on your chest, making it hard to breathe or find your center. You see the headlines and feel the friction between nations and neighbors. And you wonder how one person can possibly make a difference when the scale of the conflict seems so vast and immovable. I want you to know that your empathy is a gift. And your desire for harmony is the first step toward creating it. Because today, we are going to use the power of your focused intent to weave a blanket of serenity that starts within your own heart and stretches across the entire globe. We are going to practice a form of mental alchemy where we take the heavy lead of global unrest and transform it into the gold of collective calm, using nothing but the energy of your mind and the ancient wisdom of the natural elements. In the tradition of the craft, we often speak of casting a circle, which simply means creating a safe and private mental space where no outside negativity can reach you. And where your thoughts have the power to shape your reality. This space is yours alone. And it is a sanctuary of absolute light, where we follow the guiding principle that as long as we do no harm, we are free to manifest the highest good for ourselves and the world around us. This is the law of return, and the promise that the peace you cultivate here will return to you 3 times over as it ripples out into the physical world. Close your eyes now and feel the chair or the floor beneath you supporting your weight completely. And without effort, imagine you are standing in a vast open meadow at twilight, where the air is perfectly still, and the sky is a deep velvet indigo. This is your sacred inner landscape, And here you are the architect of peace. Take a deep breath in and feel the coolness of the air filling your lungs. And as you exhale, let go of the tension in your shoulders and the tightness in your jaw. You are safe here, and you are powerful here. Now I want you to look toward the horizon and see a shape beginning to form. This shape represents the collective weight of the world's conflicts and the misunderstandings and the anger and the pain that we see in the news every day. It appears as a massive tangled knot of dark iron cables, and it is cold and heavy and seems to pulse with a low, discordant hum that feels uncomfortable against your skin. This is the physical manifestation of world peace being blocked. And it looks intimidating because it has been built from centuries of fear. But I want you to look closer and notice how the grass beneath this knot is beginning to glow with a soft emerald light. Can you feel the ground beneath your feet starting to hum with a gentle rhythmic vibration, like the heartbeat of the earth itself? This is the power of the earth element rising up to meet you and remind you that you are never alone in your work. You are standing on a living, breathing planet that knows how to heal and how to grow, and how to find balance even after the most violent storms. The earth does not rush, but it is persistent. And it is that same persistence that you are calling upon now. Reach out with your mind and touch that dark, tangled knot of iron. Feel how cold it is, but also notice that it is brittle. It is not as solid as it looks because fear is a fragile thing when faced with steady, unwavering love. We are going to call upon the first of the elements to begin the transformation. Visualize a soft silver mist beginning to rise from the ground, surrounding the heavy iron knot. This is the element of air, and it represents communication and clarity, and the ability to see from a higher perspective. See the mist swirling around the cables. And as it touches the iron, the rust begins to flake away, and the tight coils start to loosen. The air carries the whispers of 1,000 languages, all saying the same word for peace. And as these whispers grow louder, the iron knot begins to vibrate until it is no longer a solid mass, but a collection of individual threads. The scent of fresh rain on warm stone fills the air around you now. And the temperature shifts to a perfect balmy warmth that feels like a physical embrace. Does the air feel lighter against your skin as the heaviness of the world begins to dissolve into the mist? Now, we call upon the element of fire, not as a force of destruction, but as a source of pure transformative energy. A golden spark ignites in the center of the loosened threads, and it grows into a beautiful, radiant sun that burns away the last remnants of the iron cables. This fire does not consume, it cleanses. It takes the energy of anger and converts it into the energy of passion for justice and the energy of protection for the vulnerable. The dark cables are gone, and in their place is a sphere of liquid gold light that radiates heat and hope. You are watching the very essence of conflict being recycled into the potential for harmony. This is the magic of the human spirit when it is aligned with the natural laws of the universe. Now visualize the element of water flowing over this golden sphere like a gentle mountain stream. The water is clear and cool, and it carries the gold light outward in every direction. See the light flowing over the continents and the oceans, and see it entering the hearts of leaders and the homes of families. It moves through the streets and the forests, and it settles into the soil. This water represents empathy and the deep emotional connection that binds every living being together on this planet. You are sending out a tide of compassion that cannot be stopped, because it is the natural state of the soul. As this light spreads, you feel a profound sense of relief washing over you. The heavy burden you felt at the beginning of this journey has been completely replaced by a feeling of buoyancy and purpose. You have done the work of a weaver of peace, and the law of the universe dictates that this energy must return to you. Feel the light reflecting back toward you from every corner of the globe. It is coming back 3 times stronger and 3 times brighter. And it is settling into your own heart as a permanent flame of tranquility. You are a beacon of peace, and your presence in the world is a testament to the power of quiet, focused intent. The world is different because you spent these moments holding a vision of its wholeness. Every thought of kindness you have ever had is part of this great network of light. And it is stronger than any shadow. Now very slowly begin to bring your awareness back to your physical body. Feel the weight of your limbs and the texture of the air in the room where you are sitting. Keep that golden flame burning in your chest as you prepare to open your eyes. You are returning to the physical world, but you are carrying the seeds of a new reality with you. You are peaceful, and you are protected, and you are a force for good. My heart is a sanctuary of peace, and I share this light with the world.